I'd be wishing that the slavery would end. But baby, crazy sex to save me from that monster bitch you made me. Show me that you love me, but there's something off. You know me, Sony cameras watching all my homies in and out the homes, but I be slightly schizophrenic, in a panic, kinda manic. I'm a Martian, I have landed and I don't know where to go. So don't go hoping to be alone, 'cause anywhere you plan on going, I will surely go. Hey little lady living in your little world, got a whole lot of venom for an itty bitty girl. Hey little mama, won't you tell me that you wanna be the one who wanna follow me, itty bitty girl. Hey little lady living in your little world, got a whole lot of venom for an itty bitty girl. Can you hear me? Tell me that you wanna be the one who wanna follow me, itty bitty girl. I said it's hard to trust a busted bitch, a hypocrite, I'm with it. Don't know what the fuck that you thought this was, but I ain't your critic. I know you'd like to start this shit, but I know how to finish it. I'm ripping up that status, schizophrenic, you ain't getting it. And I don't know what you saying, don't know what you playing for. I'm not the one you taking from, but I'm the one you hating on. So don't be tripping, all religious, this is not a Satan song. I'm so next level, you can revel in it, I'm the holy one. So utilize the time you like to spend with me. Don't threaten me with better things, it's better if I never leave. This dire need depend on me, but don't expect my honesty. Been catching me collectively, infecting me with jealousy. Sorry if you're striving just to be the center of attention. I don't miss you, but I wish you didn't. This is strong convincing.
I don't hate you, but the intuition stole away the confidence
that I was holding on to, now I really want you. Hey little lady living in your little world, got a whole lot of venom for an itty bitty girl. Hey little mama, won't you tell me that you wanna be the one who wanna follow me, itty bitty girl. No, I really want you. Hey little lady living in your little world, got a whole lot of venom for an itty bitty girl. Got a whole lot of venom for an itty bitty girl. Crazy bitch. You know, as artists, you have to express yourself through your craft. So this isn't necessarily just like a song. This is just, you know, experimenting with self-expression. And I recommend that everybody find some sort of healthy self-expression. Because there's a lot of good people I know who've gone through really hard times. I've lost some friends, a lot of them in the last couple of years, and lost some good relationships. And I think if I was doing this earlier and I was able to express myself better, I could have helped a lot of people and helped myself a lot more. But at the end of the day, you don't gotta like it. But, you know, if you don't, fuck you. You know what I'm saying?